Get ready to cook the most mouth-watering jollof spaghetti with my easy recipe guide. Keep watching. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making spaghetti. I'm using 1.5 for today's recipe. And here with me, I have my deboned chicken. So this is not chicken breast, this is deboned chicken. I bought leg portion, chicken leg portion. I have to debone it myself. In case if you don't have chicken breast and you have chicken leg portion, please go ahead and debone it and get the flesh. Take off the skin and the bone. You have a deboned chicken. So guys, without wasting time, I will take my paper towel just to take off excess water in this deboned chicken before slicing it into small pieces. I use lemon juice, vinegar and salt to wash it so now it's well washed and clean. So I will cut it into small pieces and then I'll marinate it. This is what I'll be using to marinate my chicken. So this contains ginger and garlic paste, chicken flavor, thyme, dry thyme, and paprika. Also, it contains pepper and onion paste. So after cutting it into small pieces, I will marinate it with this. This also contains soy sauce. I will cut it into small pieces before marinating. If you have watched till this point, kindly like, share this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell button so that you get my notification when I drop a new video. So I'll turn the whole thing, the chicken, into the paste, the mixture. So I'll allow it to sit for some time. So I'll go ahead and cut my red and green bell pepper into the size I want it. And while I'm cutting it, I poured water into my pot and placed it on fire to heat up. So at this point, my water is boiling and I added in my salt and I added in my vegetable oil, my sunflower oil actually. Then transfer the spaghetti into it. So I've put in 1 pack of spaghetti and this is the half pack of spaghetti. So while it cooks, I will keep stirring at interval until it's done. So at this point, the spaghetti is okay. So I will take it off from the heat and strain it. So on the heat, I'll place in my pan, adding my sunflower oil. While my sunflower oil is heating up, I'll go ahead to slice my carrot into the sizes I want it. My oil is being heated up and now my marinated chicken, I'll transfer it to the oil, fry it until it is dry. It turns golden color, it is dry. So at this point the chicken is drying and at this point this chicken is well dried. I can see it now looking golden color. I'll take it off the oil. I'll put in my onion, stir it. I have a fresh tomato in the fridge, so I have to cut it, that's what I added now. So I'll be using this my jollof rice paste. If you've not watched my video on how I made this jollof rice paste, I'm going to add the link to the top right corner of this video. Click on it to go and watch it. It's been in the fridge. I just removed it from the fridge for it to defrost and now it's defrozen and this is the water that is in. So I'll be scooping in the quantity I want into my onion, my oil. That's enough. So I'll go into saute until it is well mixed. I'll add in my ginger and garlic paste. Saute so that everything will mix together. I'll add in my chopped red and green bell pepper. At this point, I will stir it so that everything will mix together. So this is my blended pepper. I added it to it. Saute. I added in my salt. And I added in my no Maggi seasoning cube. Saute to mix everything together. I will cover it up on a low heat to steam. So it's boiling. I will saute again. At this point, I'll add in my fried chicken. I'll cover it up for it to steam more for some minutes, and this time around it's done. So this is our spaghetti. I'll be scooping in the sauce bit by bit. As I scoop in, I will turn it as you're seeing it. So at a point I noticed that the pots will not contain the spaghetti, so I transferred it into a bigger pot. I poured in all the spaghetti and transfer all the sauce into the pot. Stir everything together so that they will be well mixed. So guys, at this point, kindly like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell button so I get my notification when I drop a new video. So at this point, I'll be adding in my chopped green carrots. I'll be adding in my chopped carrots and my green pea. I will stir everything together, and on a low heat, I will cover the pot for it to steam so that the carrots will get cooked a little bit. I'll stir in and cover it again for it to steam. Then stir in for the last time. So at this point, our spaghetti, our jollof spaghetti is well cooked. So guys, tell me, how do you love your spaghetti? Have you ever tried Nigerian spaghetti? Nigerian jollof spaghetti? So at this point, our food is ready and well served. Oh, come with your spoon, let's enjoy this. Of course, I was famished and I couldn't wait for it to get done. So this is me testing it out, and this tastes really good. The carrot was so crunchy. So guys, thanks for watching, and like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell button so that you get my notification when I drop a new video. Thank you for watching, and for my returning subscribers, I love you so much. And to my intended subscribers, you are welcome. Feel free. This is a fun place to be. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for what you see in my next video. Bye bye.